welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a dining room makeover video. So I started working on this project and I did show you guys me setting up the space before, but it is now complete and I am ready to share it with you guys. It is a really simple dining room makeover. We use the colors navy blue, gold, a little bit of silver gray, kind of mix the metals in that room. My client's style is more of a, they're still into glam, like modern glam, not so much not too shiny, but they still, you know, they still like the shiny things, and that's okay. So that's what we did, a touch of that. It's still mixed with a few wood elements as well and some greenery, but I want you guys to see it for yourselves. So the beginning part is going to be decorating with me, and then I'll show you guys the final reveal. I love how it's pretty minimalistic. It's not too much. It's like just the nice, you know, touch of an upgrade to what they already had going on in that space. So I'm gonna show you the before and the after, and I hope you guys love it as much as me. So enjoy the video, and let me know how you like it at the end. So this is the before of the dining room. Now the rug was not initially here. We did add this beautiful silver and, well, gray and metallic gold rug. I thought it would bring in the colors great because we are doing navy blue, gray, and silver mixing metals. These are a lot of the items that I purchased from like Home Goods, Sea Gallery, and a few other places just to add to the space. So here you'll see my setup process. I'm just gonna have you guys set up with me and see all of the pieces and the things that I'm adding to the space before the final setup. This is some of the old items that she had on the buffet. I'm gonna remove these items so that I can decorate it with the things that I've selected to go over here. Here is the reveal of the space. I think it turned out so beautiful. So I told you guys that we replaced the rug. I added these accent pieces on the wall just to, you know, gold on top of the gray wall. We changed out the chandelier to this beautiful modern crystal chandelier, and we chose to go with a rectangular to go over the dining table as opposed to a round one. The wall art, this wall art was such a great find because it encompassed all the colors that I was trying to use, with the navy, the gray, and the silver, and it also has a little bit of white, but it blended perfectly over the buffet, and the size was very important. It was really difficult to find a nice painting that was gonna take up the size of the wall and be to scale that I wanted it to be. In this area, I have a bird of paradise plant inside of this beautiful concrete planter, and I just added moss green to it. The items on the buffet really complemented that area. Can never go wrong with coffee table books. I love decorating with those. I think the blue and the gold accent pieces really brought it out, and then the lamp is a concrete and gold color, which, you know, kind of brought out some of the gray on the wall. So I think it turned out beautiful. I love it. I will insert some of the pictures I was able to get. I really wish I had got some professional ones, but with the time that I was working with, unfortunately I didn't get any, so this is what we have. But I hope you guys love how I transformed the space from the beginning to the end. I will insert a before picture and after picture, as I said, and I thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. Until next time, bye daisies.